Here we will write a Python program to calculate area of circle using constructor. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write it. So first we will define class, then we will define constructor with one parameter, and then we will assign constructor variable. Then we will write method. The formula for calculating area is pi r square, that is 3.14 into r into r. So here we will calculate area as 3.14 into self dot r into self dot r, and then we will print the area. Then we will accept the radius from the user. So n equal to int input, enter radius. Then we will create object of our class area, and we will pass n as a constructor parameter, and then we will call the method find area from that class. Then we will save it. Then we will execute it. It will ask to enter the radius. I will give 5. It will print 78.5 as an area of circle.